What's going on, guys? All right, we are talking about the $10 million airdrop for Hero. If you missed my last video, check it out. I'll put a little tag right here. It was on what is Metahero all about. And this one is going to be about how to get in on this airdrop. Stick around. All right, so the instructions for the airdrop are pretty simple. It's on their website here, and these are the ones that you want to make sure you follow. I know there's some discrepancies elsewhere online. I don't know if it was CoinMarketCal or CoinMarketCap had something that wasn't quite right. But all you need to do is hold 5,000 Hero in a private wallet, not an exchange, and you will get the airdrop September 30th. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go through the steps real quick as if you were a complete beginner and didn't know anything about crypto and wanted to get in on this project. So I made a Word doc here, Google Doc, with the step-by-step that you want to follow. And I'll link this for free in the description. Just like and subscribe is all I ask, and spread the word. Hopefully this gets out in front of a lot of people. So step one, you want to get set up on an exchange if you're not already. Any crypto exchange where you can buy BNB. I suggest if you're in the US, a good one is Binance.us for buying BNB. If you're outside the US, it would just be Binance. Here's a link to that, and it'll be in that document down below. All these links are live. So go to Binance.us, get yourself set up with an exchange, follow the instructions there on how to set it up. Step two, you want to download and set up your private wallet, MetaMask, and also install the Google Chrome extension, MetaMask. A lot of these crypto DeFi stuff, you use an extension in Chrome to interact with the websites and exchange crypto. So here's the link for MetaMask. If you go to that link, you'll be able to follow the instructions there to set up a private wallet. Make sure one of the more important steps of that is your passphrase with your secret words. Write them down on 2 pieces of paper. Put one of them in a safe, put the other one with a trusted family member or something, and have them keep it safe. Don't write them down on your phone, your notes, or anything. If your phone gets hacked, if someone gets your phone, they realize it's a recovery phase, they can get into your wallet, steal everything. You just want to be careful about what you do with it. You know, these are very secure platforms, but most of the hacks happen due to people not doing responsible things with their passwords, etc. Set up 2-factor authorization, Google Authenticator app, stuff like that. Couldn't recommend that more. Step 3, you're going to download and set up the Binance wallet extension. Here's a Google Chrome link right here where you can go and get that one set up. Step 4, you're going to add the Binance Smart Chain onto your MetaMask wallet. What that'll basically do is here, I'll open up my MetaMask extension right now and it'll pop open. Often you have to reload a page when you're pulling open the extension for these wallets. So now I've got this extension able to communicate with this page, even though it's just my Google Drive page. So you need to add the network for the Binance Smart Chain. You see here, when you first get MetaMask, this Binance Smart Chain network is not here. You have to set it up to be able to be compatible with it. And there's a great informational article on how to do that, which I've linked right here. They go through it step by step. I went through it fine, got mine set up. Let me know if you have any questions on any of this in the comments. Go through this article right here. Step 5, go to your exchange and buy some BNB. Note, you're going to want to buy enough BNB to be able to buy 5,000 Hero tokens if you want to get the airdrop. Just look at the current market value and see how much BNB you need to get 5,000 Hero tokens. You're going to send that BNB from your exchange to the Binance wallet. Make sure that you copy the codes, the wallet addresses properly. Double check them, triple check them before you press that send, because you don't want to have a one wrong digit or anything wrong and send your crypto into space where you're never going to get it back. This is, decentralized finance in a certain sense. There's no banker you can call if you make a mistake here. You're all on your own. But I believe in you. You can do it. I did it. Just, Be very thoughtful about what you do. Double check yourself. Don't go too fast. Now, once you send that BNB from your exchange to your Binance wallet, they make this difficult. You can't send that BNB from your exchange to the MetaMask wallet directly. It's not the right type of BNB. You've got to have BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. So you send your BNB from the exchange to your Binance wallet. Then, on your Binance wallet extension that you have installed, here I'll show you. So now we're going to follow along live. So you go to PancakeSwap. Here's the link for PancakeSwap right here. And now one of the important things to do, I've already done it, but in both CoinMarketCap at the top here, you can copy the public address of the coin right here, contract 0xD40B, right there. You can copy that in to here. It's also actually at the top of their website, I believe. Here at the top of the website, here it is, 0xD40B. That is the smart contract address. You just want to make sure you can click this copy, and you want to make sure that it's the right coin. People will try and scam you by making like a similar coin or whatever, maybe a little bit different public address, and you'll be thinking you're swapping in for Hero, but you'll be swapping for something else. And PancakeSwap always warns you about that. So then once you're on PancakeSwap too, you got to make sure your MetaMask wallet is connected. You can go to your extension, open up the MetaMask, you have to reload the page, and then click Connect Wallet, and it should connect. My wallet's connected right now. You can see here at the top right. And you can see here my balance, I've got 2.87 BNB. And so I want to get 5,000 Hero tokens. So I want to go, let's see, 1.5 BNB gets me 4,800 right now. 1.6 BNB gets me 5,194. So I'm going to go with, let's just leave it at 1.6. So I'm going to swap, and I'm going to receive 5,194.11 Hero tokens. Price impact right now is low fees. Binance Smart Chain has very low fees. You'll see when you're doing Ethereum swaps a lot of time, gas fees on them can be a lot more expensive. Let's swap. Output is estimated you receive at least 5,168 or the transaction will revert. I accept. Price updated. Confirm swap. PancakeSwap. Confirm and swap. Now my wallet is asking to confirm. I'll say confirm. Transaction submitted. Add Hero to MetaMask. Would you like to add these tokens? Look at that. Transaction 1 confirmed. View on Etherscan. I'm going to add token. Here's my transaction receipt. And I can even view it on Etherscan, where you can track any public wallet and see the different transactions between it. There's the transaction hash. You can see it's a success from PancakeSwap. I've got 5,194 Hero tokens. Now, let's take a look at the app. And it's already updated on the app. You can see right here on the Metahero app, you can see that 5,194 Hero tokens is there. And now I can track this, and I should be able to see the airdrop come in September 30th. So this is exciting. I can track everything on this app. You got your kind of statistics on what Hero token you have and whatnot, and then you've got another link at the bottom to take a look at updating all the articles day by day. They've got all the articles that come out. So pretty neat just to keep track of everything. I like it. All right, guys. If you like this walkthrough, kind of how quick it was, hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully I explained everything. Hit me up in the comments on any questions, any critiques, anything positive for me. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Peace out.